In this video, we're going to be looking at the Visioneer Patriot H60, going over setup, some installation tips, and where to purchase. The Visioneer Patriot H60 is a perfect solution for any business looking to make a move to a paperless office. The scanner is powered by some of the most robust Twain and WIA drivers in its class, which allows for easy communication between third-party applications. Bundled with a powerful software suite, our Visioneer Patriot H60 will be your go-to product for office scanning.
Open the box and check the contents against our quick start guide to ensure everything is included. Remove the scanner from the bag and remove any packing tape. Open the scanner lid and remove any packing material. On the disc, you will find Visioneer OneTouch and the scanner drivers. It is advised to download the latest drivers and OneTouch software from our website, www.visioneer.com. Insert the disk into your disk drive and run the auto-run program. You will be prompted to choose which programs you would like to install. Follow the prompts to finish the installs. Once prompted by the driver installer, connect the scanner to your computer. Connect the power cord to the power brick. Insert the USB cord into your computer's USB 3.0 port. Windows will take over the rest of the installation.
For more information about our Visioneer line of scanners, please visit www.visioneer.com.